Okay, let's dive into Starknet staking and see how you can get in on the action. This is a pretty big deal. Starknet is the first major L2 to do this.
So, what is it exactly, and how can you get involved in securing the network?
Well, staking is absolutely crucial for Starknet to become a truly decentralized network. And they're not rushing it. It's a careful, phased approach to keep the network safe and stable. First step, you have the validator. Think of them as the pilot, the one actually flying the plane. Then you have the delegator. They're like a passenger, along for the successful ride.
So you gotta choose your role. Are you the active, hands-on pilot or the passive passenger? For most of us, delegating is definitely the simplest way to chip in and earn rewards. And getting started is super easy. Just a few clicks in your wallet and you're all set.
And get this, wallets are even making it gas-free. Now that's what I call seamless.
Plus, as a delegator, you have a ton of freedom. There's no minimum to start, which is great.
All right, now for path number 2, becoming a validator. This one is a bit more involved. The first thing you'll need, a cool 20,000 STRK. That's the minimum to be a validator.
Validators have real duties, like running a node and keeping it online pretty much 24/7. And here's a huge incentive. The foundation will match your stake, up to 5 million STRK. Okay, let's talk about the fun part, rewards. How does everyone actually get paid?
What's really unique here is that Starknet also brings Bitcoin into the mix for security.
Basically, you get paid a new STRK based on your staking power while keeping things sustainable.
Now, what if you want to take your tokens out? There are some important rules to know. If you decide to completely unstake your STRK, you'll have a 21-day lockup period. But check this out. As a delegator, you can switch validators anytime with zero lockup. So there you have it. 2 very different paths, both helping to build and secure the network. The only question left is, which role are you going to play?